Hey, Nicole Havlicek here, and what I'm going to talk to you about today is how to find good tags to use for your YouTube videos. Okay, so it's one of the very most important elements for good SEO on your YouTube channel, along with your creating a good optimized title and description. Tags is right after that. You also want to name your video that you upload. Name it the keyword that you are trying to target. You also want to name your custom thumbnail the keyword that you're trying to target. Okay, and we'll get into keyword research in a different video, but today I'm going to talk about how to find good tags for the keyword you're trying to optimize. Okay, so for this video I'm talking about how to optimize your video with proper tagging. So let's say I'm going to go to and search for other videos that are already ranking for tags on YouTube. Okay, so let's type in how to find good tags for YouTube videos. All right, right there. Great. Okay, so rank high with tags. This video, 300,000 views. All right, that's good. This is exactly where I want to be. Okay, Daryl Eves, this guy knows what he's talking about, how to probably tag your YouTube videos. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I want to see what is already working. So these guys are already ranking for how to come up with good tags for your YouTube videos, and I'm just going to go through, see what they're already using, and then grab the best ones that are applicable to my video. Okay, and how I'm going to do that is I'm going to use this, as you can see on the right here, this vidIQ extension, and how you grab that. This is a great tool that will just give you tons of information. When I start clicking on these videos, you'll see that it's going to give me a lot of information about these videos and a lot of the tags they're using, how well they're performing on YouTube and SEO, where they're ranking for certain keywords. So we're going to dive in here and see that in a second. But first I'm going to go up here to vidIQ and show you where to grab this. Okay, so you go to vidIQ.com. You can sign up for free if you want to check out their paid plans. I do not have a paid plan. I don't recommend it. You don't need it. You can just go with this basic one and you'll get pretty much everything you need there. You don't really need this tool other than what the basic one provides all that you need. Okay, so let's go back to YouTube and let's check out this top one since it's ranking number 1. Okay, I'm just gonna
with a keen sense of smell. Glad bag full of trash. What happens next? Nothing.
Okay. All right, here's the video. Okay, we don't really need to see that. All right, so let's take a look here. So here's some, nice overview of what this video is doing. They're doing pretty well. 70, almost a 1 out of 100. This is the score that it's a vidIQ score that basically tells you an overall score of this channel, of this video, how it's doing. I would say that's pretty good. Their SEO, they're pretty well SEO optimized according to vidIQ, almost 100%, which is awesome. Okay, all right, now here's what we're looking for, because you can already see their description. You don't need this tool for that. You can see a bunch of stuff already and model them, as not copy, model what they're doing. Like I would never grab this title exactly, or definitely not grab this description exactly. Just do your own thing, but you can learn from what's already working. So you can see this title's working, this description is working clearly. It's probably a little light. You might want to do 500 words or so that are really really strong around good keywords that you find. But okay, so here are the tags. All right, so these tags are Zovio. I'm not even sure what that is. Oh, that's their channel. Okay. So they're leading with their channel. So that anytime someone types that in, they want to be associated with that. That makes sense. All right. How to tag YouTube videos. Okay. Good. Yeah. So these are all relevant. These, I don't know what that's about, so I wouldn't take those. Tutorial. That's pretty generic. That could be a lot of things, but you do want to have the related things. I might not do tutorial or these two, you know, but these ones here, how to get more views, that's not exactly, doesn't say tag, but it's in the ballpark. So, but it's clearly working. So you would definitely want to, you know, consider these. And let's go back. Let's go to another one. Daryl knows what he's talking about. You should follow him if you don't. Daryl Eves at, I think, daryleves.com, and follow his channel. He knows what's up. Oh, he's not doing as well as that other video. 63, 77. I think that was close, but all right. He definitely knows his stuff. I mean, he's got tons of subscribers and yeah, almost 500,000. All right, so here are his tags. He's also trying to rank for his name. YouTube, obviously. Learn, meta information. Okay, you know, so he's got very different tags. Not all of them are. This one's similar, but he's dropping some, you know, meta in there a lot. Meta information, YouTube metadata, YouTube meta information. So he's trying to rank similarly, but a little differently, obviously. So yeah, but it's obviously in the ballpark, and you'll want to grab these as well. So you can see that there's different things work. Daryl doesn't have as many tags in here as the other video did. Not sure why, because there is a limit, but he seems to be maybe like 60 or 70% to the limit from my perspective. I think he could get away with like 5 to 8 more tags in here. But he's ranking for this keyword, this keyword, this keyword, that keyword. So that's great. So you might want to, you know, consider some of these and to hit up 1 or 2 more videos that are highly viewed, highly ranked, and consider some of those as well. So that's how you grab good tags, get good ideas for tags. You leverage off of what's already working. All right. And you want to, you know, do the same thing for titles and descriptions. Check out what's already working and kind of leverage that. Okay. Here he does a really nice job with his description. Okay. So that's definitely helpful. He even has it timestamped. Cool. All right, so that's how you grab relevant tags for your videos when you know what your keyword you're trying to shoot for. All right, there's harder ways to do it. This is one of the easiest ways. I think TubeBuddy is another similar tool to vidIQ that does a very similar thing. It'll provide, I think it also has a free option that is very much like this one, but I happen to use vidIQ. I don't think it really matters. They're both great. I hear great things about TubeBuddy, so grab one. The vidIQ is a good option, and you already know where to grab the tags. And there you go. All right. Another, you know, the hard way would be to go up here and go to developer and go to view source and, you know, go through all this gobbledygook of code. It's in here somewhere, but why do that when you can just hit the easy button and do it this way? All right. So I hope that was super helpful. If it was, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. And I will be making more videos soon, every day, at least for the next 30 days. All right. Because I'm on a 30-day challenge. So Nicole Havlicek, and I will signing off for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.